Hi, this is Phanessa with Designs by Phanessa. Today's tutorial is on the knot stitch. So this is a tutorial just for the knot stitch, and quickly I'd like to show you what the knot stitches look like. So this is my knotted slouch beanie. See these little knotted stitches here? They're worked over 3 stitches. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. So I will be showing you how to work it English style, the traditional English style, and in the corner screen you'll see the continental style, and I will switch it so you can see the other one better as well. So in 3 stitches, in the same 3 stitches, what you'll do is you will purl 3 together, knit 3 together, and then purl 3 together. So yarn in front. Let's start with the purl 3 together. So into all 3 stitches and purl. So wrap your yarn around your needle. So try and knit these stitches loosely because you do have to work the same 3 stitches 3 times, so it can get quite tight. So yarn in back. Now you want to knit 3 together, these same 3 stitches. As you can see, it's already getting tight, so I do recommend knitting loosely. Okay, so in these same 3 stitches, you want to purl 3 together. So make sure you bring your yarn in the front again. Now you insert your needle into the same 3 stitches and work a purl 3 together. And now you slide all your stitches off of your left hand needle. Alright, so let's work this continental style. So you purl 3 together, and in the same 3 stitches you want to move your yarn to the back and you want to knit 3 together. Okay, so now you want to bring the yarn forward again, and finally you want to purl 3 together. Okay, so now you can slide all your stitches off of your left hand needle. And that's it. That's how you work a knot stitch. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video.